Have you ever wondered how technology has drastically changed our lives in just a few decades? It's astonishing, really. From the way we communicate to how we work, even to how we entertain ourselves, technology has left an indelible mark. It has transformed our health practices, making medical miracles an everyday occurrence. We're living in an era where the impossible is constantly being redefined, thanks to technology. Now let's dive into the exciting world of recent technological updates and inventions. As we step into the third decade of the 21st century, technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace. In the early 2020s, artificial intelligence, or AI, began to make significant strides. Machine learning algorithms became more sophisticated, enabling computers to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. This has revolutionized industries from healthcare to finance, with AI systems now capable of diagnosing diseases, predicting market trends, and even composing music. Then came the rise of blockchain technology. Initially known for powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain's potential extended far beyond digital currency. It offered a new way to record transactions and data, securely and transparently. This has led to its use in areas such as supply chain management, voting systems, and even digital identity verification. Quantum computing, a concept that seemed like science fiction just a decade ago, started to become a reality in the 2020s. Quantum computers, with their ability to process vast amounts of data in parallel, could solve problems that traditional computers could not. This has opened up new possibilities in fields such as cryptography, material science, and complex system modeling. But let's not forget about other significant updates like advancements in augmented and virtual reality, or the expansion of 5G networks, which have drastically improved internet speeds and connectivity. These innovations are just the tip of the iceberg. There's much more to explore. Now, let's fast forward to 2023. The world of technology continues to surprise us with more groundbreaking inventions. In this year, we've seen leaps and bounds in areas that once seemed like the stuff of science fiction. Imagine being able to interact with your environment in ways you've never thought possible. This is the promise of augmented reality, or AR. And 2023 has seen some remarkable advancements in this field. We're talking about immersive experiences that can transport you to different worlds, all from the comfort of your living room. But the awe doesn't stop there. The field of robotics has also made some incredible strides. We're seeing robots that can navigate complex terrains, perform delicate tasks, and even mimic human emotions. The robots of 2023 are no longer just tools, they're becoming our companions. And let's not forget about nanotechnology. This year, we've seen nanobots that can target diseases at a cellular level, offering new hope in the fight against some of our most persistent health challenges. These tiny heroes might just hold the key to a healthier future. These inventions not only redefine our understanding of technology, but also promise a future where anything seems possible. The year 2023 has shown us that the only limit to what technology can achieve is our own imagination. So let's keep dreaming and pushing the boundaries. Because in the world of tech, the future is always now. There's no denying that technology has come a long way in just a few years. We've seen the transformative impact on our lives, the rapid evolution throughout the 20s, and the groundbreaking innovations of 2023. This journey has introduced us to immersive virtual reality, quantum computing leaps, and the rise of artificial intelligence. As we continue to embrace these advancements, we can only imagine what the future holds. One thing is for sure, technology will continue to revolutionize our world in ways we can't even comprehend. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of technology.